Welcome to the world of cryptocurrency trading. If you're looking to jumpstart your trading journey, the Bitget welcome bonus could be just what you need. I'm here to guide you through everything that makes Bitget an excellent choice for newcomers and seasoned traders alike. Let's dive into why the Bitget welcome bonus can be a game changer for you. Imagine starting your trading with a little extra in your account. Yes, with the referral code 4H6K, you can unlock exclusive benefits that come with the welcome bonus. Utilizing this code gives you a head start with bonus funds, allowing you to explore Bitget's platform with more confidence. But what exactly does this bonus entail? When you use the referral code 4H6K, Bitget might offer you various incentives like a bonus on your first deposit, enhancing your initial trading capital, reduced trading fees, saving you money on every trade you make, free crypto as a sign-up reward, perfect for testing out the platform, lower margin requirements, providing leverage to your trading activities. Why does Bitget give such a compelling welcome package? It's simple. They believe in growing their community and empowering each trader with tools and bonuses to succeed. And by entering the code 4H6K, you're not just getting extra funds. You're joining a global network of traders and gaining access to Bitget's cutting-edge features. So, what should you do next? 1. Sign up to Bitget using the referral code 4H6K. 2. Verify your account and complete your Know Your Customer (KYC) process for larger bonuses. 3. Start trading with your enhanced trading balance. Remember, success in trading is not just about having capital, but also about having the right tools, support, and promotions like the Bitget welcome bonus. Use the code 4H6K today and embark on your crypto journey with an advantage. Let Bitget welcome you with not just a simple service, but an experience that adds value to every step you take in the crypto world. Engage, trade, and grow with Bitget 4H6K. Thank you for listening. Your journey to informed trading begins now.